Hello everybody, I'm not dead, and it's been about a year since I've made any sort of content on this channel. Why, you may ask? Honestly, I don't have an answer for you. I really don't. Life happened and I'm here now, so that's a start, right? To preface this, I now live with my mom in the basement. If you hear any weird noises, banging, or what sounds like people walking, it's because I live in a basement. Happens. To get into the nitty-gritty and the meat of this video, what is bringing you all here, let's talk hair. One of the last times you guys saw me, I had done a balayage root shadow thing to my hair, and clearly, I'm sorry, I'm like looking at myself on the screen instead of the camera, but I'm looking at my hair, okay? Clearly, it has grown quite a bit since then, so pretty much all I have left of that previous hair is a couple inches at the bottom. Other than that, this is all my natural hair color, natural regrowth. Some of you might be wondering then, Andrea, why is your hair so much shorter than it used to be? Now, the reasoning for that is I keep cutting and trimming my hair to get rid of all the bleached, horrible damagedness that I had created, and I just want it to be thick and healthy. Like, it's pretty thick. This is only half of it. The rest of it's like clipped up, so it's getting there. Now that reintroductions and talking about the hair is out of the way, let's get into the bad decisions I'm gonna make today after I was just talking about not dyeing my hair and letting it grow out. Da-da-da! And not only am I gonna be bleaching my hair, we have box bleach today. What I'm going to be doing with this box bleach is I'm gonna be giving myself money pieces and like some little highlights, like pretty much honestly like this section I'm gonna be bleaching. Well, pretty much without further ado, we might as well just start getting into this. Yes, I am risking it all and doing this on my bed. I don't have a big mirror, so I have this really old highlighting palette that's nothing but a mirror now that I'm gonna be using, along with mostly probably just my phone. Okay, my friends, I have returned and I have completely detangled hair. To preface, I'm sorry if you can hear my mom talking on the phone upstairs. She's talking on the phone upstairs. So we're just gonna pretend we don't hear that if you do. Now you can get a better look at the actual thickness and length of my hair. I'm pretty happy with how it's been looking lately. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to section using my phone or with this. If I use this, you're not gonna be able to see. So let's try to section. I'm just gonna fast forward through it, but I'll film it so you can see it. Okay, that was way harder and took way longer than it needed to, but I think I have pretty decently even sections with my little baby hairs hanging out. But pretty much what I'm gonna do is just a teeny tiny bit right at the front, and then just kind of feather some highlights in there. I don't know. I'm starting to get a little nervous, a little regretful. I am terrified. I've been growing my hair for so long. I haven't bleached it in over a year and a half. But full send. Let's do this, Garnier. Brad Mondo, I'm sorry. If you see this, hopefully it's a good result, and yeah. The party has officially moved to my bedroom floor so that I have a mirror in front of me, because I quickly realized there's no way that this was gonna work. Just mixing up, these are the most pathetic little scissors ever for this, but I am just mixing the bleach now. Pathetic. There's 3 parts. I think this is developer. There's a cream bleach and a powder bleach. I don't know. And I'm really shaky. I'm so sorry that you have to witness that. I'm back. I got most of the powder bleach in there. A lot of it on my lap because I'm just a shaky human. Here is the liquid cream part to the mixture. It's a little eager. And we're just gonna squeeze all that out. It's gonna be easier for me to do that down here. I now have all the things in the bottle. I'm gonna screw the lid on, shake it up, and I'll be back when I have my glovies on, and I'm gonna change my shirt too. I'll be back when I'm ready to apply this to my head. Sorry, my phone cut out while I was applying the bleach. My phone ran out of memory and I had to go delete some stuff, but I have it all applied. As you can see the little money pieces if you look, and I think they're turning out nicely so far. I might add a little more bleach. But yeah, so it is on my head, it is processing. I'm going to leave it probably for 35 minutes. My hair is virgin and it's already blonde, so just looking at it now, it is under a ring light, so I'm keeping that in mind, but just looking at it now, it's already like golden. I don't think it's gonna take very long to process, so I'm gonna let it process, I'm gonna rinse it out, and then I'll be back to show you guys what it looks like while it's still wet. Hello everybody, I have rinsed my hair out, and you can't really see what's going on too much with my hair wet, so I'm gonna blow dry it, style it really quick, and then be back and show you guys the finished results. The only complaint I have so far is I should have probably gotten toner. It's gonna look less orangey yellow once it's dry, but it's pretty yellow. It's pretty yellow, so we'll see how it looks when it's dry. Hi friends, I have arrived with the finished product. Don't even get me started on how much I am in love with my hair. Like, it's everything I wanted it to be. The only problem is it is a little yellow, but as I wash it with some purple shampoo, that should go down. It came out super blended. Just some nice face framing highlights, and just overall, guys, I couldn't be happier with how this turned out. Like, do you see that? With box bleach, and it feels perfectly fine. I bleached such a small portion of my hair that I would be pretty surprised if you could tell a difference in the condition. Alright guys, so that is the end of this adventure. I am so glad to have taken you guys on this wild journey with me, and the end result is good. Hopefully I will continue to make videos. If there's anything you want to see from me, maybe a hair care routine, talking about my hair growth over the past 1.5 years or so, I would love to make that for you. I've been super duper into fashion. I would love to make more outfit videos, clothing hauls, thrift hauls. That would be really fun. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification icon if you want to be notified if I ever post again. And I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you all have a lovely rest of your day. Bye!